Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button to open the menu. Now tap on the settings option to open the settings. Here scroll down, find the system option and tap on it. Then find the vibration option and select it. And here we have a couple of states. We have or couple of levels of vibration. We have off, low, medium and high. If you select off, it will be turned off. If you select low, it will be low, medium and high. Select the one you like, and once you're done, press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.